Hi, I'm Danko, the head and hands behind DANKOMADE. I craft custom sustainable furniture from materials salvaged in Berlin. A self-taught DIY craftsman, I combine upcycled industrial materials, city junk, and antiques to create unique spaces, items, lighting, and furnishings. Since 2016, I've developed a brand, launched a website, built 2 bars in Berlin, constructed signage, made pieces for homes and offices, created art installations and instruments. No 2 pieces are ever the same. I use hand tools when possible, working with wood, metal, stone, glass, textiles, concrete, antiques, and electricity. Interest in my work has grown, and now it's time to level up. Winning a WeWork Creative Award would allow me to secure a bigger studio, establish storage and transportation, manage international shipping, and help reach a broader audience. Funding would also help me learn how to work with new materials, integrate them into my design process, and collaborate with others to make even more amazing stuff. Thanks for your time and consideration. Woo!